In today's video, I am going to teach you how to select all pages in PDF Organize Pages using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is perfect when you want to quickly manage every page in a document at once. Whether you are preparing a report, reorganizing a long file, or just making batch edits more efficient, start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once your file is open, head to the left side of the workspace and navigate to the Organize Pages tool. This view displays all the pages in your document as thumbnails, making it easy to see your entire file at a glance. You should see a panel or grid of page thumbnails. Think of this as your command center for page-level tasks. To select every page in the document in one move, click any single page thumbnail to make it active. Then press Ctrl-A on your keyboard. If you are on a Mac, use Command-F. You'll notice that all the thumbnails become highlighted, confirming that every page is now selected. This is the quickest way to get full control over the entire document's pages at once. If you prefer a more visual method, click the first page thumbnail to select it. Then hold down the Shift key and click the last page thumbnail. Acrobat will select everything from the first to the last page, which effectively gives you the same result as the keyboard shortcut. This shift-click method is especially handy when you want to select a continuous range in a large file. With all your pages selected, you are ready to manage them in bulk. Here, you can click and drag a selection box across the thumbnails to group them visually, and then click and drag to change the order around all thumbnails. As you drag, Acrobat will show you where the pages will land, helping you reorder with precision. If the grid feels crowded, take a moment to zoom the thumbnail view so you can see more clearly before moving anything. Clarity makes reordering much easier. A couple of quick notes to keep in mind after selecting all pages. You can perform actions like rotating, deleting, or extracting in one go, which can save a lot of time. And if you accidentally drop pages in the wrong place, just undo and try again. Selection and reordering in this view are non-destructive until you save, so you can adjust confidently. That's it. Thanks for watching.